Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. So for this particular video, I do have some merchandise here. I also have the rice binder here. This is not your typical binder update or unboxing video. If you saw the title of this video, basically, I am decided to end my rice collection. And I also decided not to stand rice anymore. This is basically because of what SM did to rice, to Sunghan, in particular. They decided to bring him back after 10 months of hiatus. Unfortunately, after 2 days and pressure from Korean fans, they decided to kick him out permanently. A lot of international, including myself, decided to boycott SM, but as of now, we haven't heard anything from them aside from giving Sunghan a solo comeback. Unfortunately, that's not what we are looking. We are asking for Sunghan to be part of Rise again. But unfortunately, it is what it is. SM is not doing anything for us. As an international fan, I decided to just stop collecting or starts not Rise anymore. It's a hard decision because, as you can see, we've been standing Rise since their debut, and we have collected this many photo cards from them. Uh, but moving forward, I decided to just, look for another group that I'll be standing. Aside from Rise, I am also decided to just stop everything SM related. So I will not be purchasing any SM album from any group, any merchandise from SM as well, and I'm gonna be retiring my rice binder. I'm also not gonna be collecting my other collection for SM, which is Chanda of NCT Dream. So I'll stop collecting his photo card as well. So this that's why I'm doing this particular video, because a lot of you guys started following me because of my rice collection and because I am doing rice unboxing. Starting Rising Epilogue, I decided not to collect their photo card. No unboxing as well. Fortunately for me, the store that I was, the store that I ordered the Rise Epilogue album agreed to cancel my order. That's why I'm not unboxing or didn't receive anything. Unfortunately, this merchandise here, this is from the 2024 FanCon MD, still arrive, and I'm just gonna show you guys, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just store all the photo cards before I retire this particular binder. I'm not gonna do a formal unboxing of this merchandise. That's why I'm putting it in one video. So that's it. Let's start with the merchandise that we have here. So this is a Sohi fan light pouch. So I'm not gonna do unboxing. Basically, you put it in your light stick. I do have the light stick of Rice. Unfortunately, with the development, I don't think I'm gonna be using this. So I decided not to unbox it, just to show you guys what I bought. But basically, this is one of those remaining merchandise that I've been waiting for. But we're not gonna use it anymore. So it is what it is. And then we have here the grip lock as well. I was so excited. This is a glow in the dark grip lock, but again, I will not be using this anymore. So I'll just remain it in the packaging. I also have here the passport set. I think there is a random photo card here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pull the photo card and then put it on our binder before we retire this binder. So I'm not sure. I haven't unboxed this yet. We'll just pull the photo card. I'm not gonna do a formal unboxing of this particular merchandise. Okay, let's get the photo card. Okay, so there's the passport. I can see the photo card there. Let's open this up. We'll just get the photo cards. Oh, photo card. I think there's only one here. And we pull, oh, okay, it's Unso. So this is the photo card. We'll just put it on the binder. Leave all that thing here. And then the last merch that we have is this one. This is the cassette tape. Again, there is, I think, two set of photo card here. We're just gonna get the photo card, and then that's it. Okay, so these are the photo cards. So there are concept, and then we have, oh, okay, so these are both concept photo cards. There you go. So I'm using popcorn sleeve. This is the hard sleeve 63.5 by 88 mm. So we'll just put it on the photo cards, or let's put the photo cards here. So this, I think I still have one more merchandise from them, but I'm not really sure if I'm gonna ship it out. I still have their collaboration photo card with Fanta. It's still in my Poca Market basket, but since there's no rush for it, not sure if I'm gonna ship it out or just let it be there. I'm really disappointed with SM. If you've been watching my videos, SM, I always defended how SM managed their artists. I thought that after they decided to put Sunghan in hiatus, that it's gonna happen, that it's gonna be coming back, because they kind of do protect their artists. So I was really excited when I announced it, but then they decided to permanently remove him from Rice, and from there, I don't know. I'm really pissed with SM right now. So I decided to boycott them, and then when they decided to put Sunghan as a solo artist, I think that's the last straw. That's not what we want as an international fans. So if SM don't bother to listen to the voice of the international fans, then they could fuck off. If they're only listening to the Korean fans, then they can have it. They can have them. I thought they are a global company, but apparently they only listen to Korean fans. So that's why moving forward, all SM artists is no longer welcome in my channel. You might be asking, is there a way for me to uh, resume my rice collection? There is, if SM decided to reinstate Sunghoon in rice, but I don't see that, I don't see that happening. So I would rather just retire this binder. If you ask me, Sunghoon is not even my bias in rice. It's Sohee and Wonbin, but I don't want SM to don't have any consequence on their decision, that they could only listen to the Korean fans. I thought Rice is a global icon, so I thought they're gonna be listening to the international fan as well. But it is what it is. If they don't want to listen to us, and then I would rather collect other groups from different agencies or different company. So I already put in some filler here. So as you can see, we've been standing Rise since their debut, and we incur a lot of photo cards. I counted this one. We have about 1,000 photo card for Rise since their debut for our collection, and it's just sad that we're gonna be stopping the here. Actually, if SM just announced that Sunghan will not be coming back after 10 months of hiatus, I would be sad about it, but we'll still continue collecting their photo cards. What really pisses me off is that after they announce, and apparently there is already a plan to involve him, because if you look at the 2025 season's greeting, you could see that there is a photo or a concept that includes Sunghan. So when they decided to announce him, that was great, but they got pressure from just a few uh, OT6 Rise Stan. And right now, even if a lot of international fan is clamoring for Sunghan to come back, they've been very silent about it. So, if they want to just listen to Korean fans, they could have their Korean fans. But as an international fan and a paying international fan, and they don't listen to us at all, I would rather just stop buying any SM merchandise. Okay, so for the Unsuk photo card here, we'll just put him in the part of our collection where the not duplicate part. So we have this part of the collection where we put in some of the photo cards that we're not collecting. There you go. Okay, that's it. So if you are a Rice fan and you are subscribed to my channel because you like looking into my collection and unboxing of Rice, unfortunately that's not going to happen in the future. So I won't be mad if you unsubscribe to my channel. That's fine. If you like my other video, continue subscribing. If you have any question regarding my collection, by the way, I'm not going to be disposing this collection. I'm just going to retire them. Comment down below if you feel the same way as I do about the status of SM and Rice. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.